Hi, dear DIY crafters, Christmas is coming soon. As an important festival, it is not just about presents and carols, it's a golden opportunity to make a fortune. Today, let's uncover the secret with PandaHall. One lucrative avenue is the DIY Christmas decorations business. With PandaHall's vast selection of affordable and high-quality materials, you can create unique wreaths, tree ornaments, and garlands. Sell your creations online or at local Christmas markets and watch the cash roll in. Another moneymaker is Christmas-themed jewelry. Design necklaces, bracelets, and earrings that capture the holiday spirit. PandaHall offers a wide range of beads and charms that will make your jewelry stand out. These make perfect gifts, and the demand is sky-high during the Christmas season. Don't forget about Christmas baking. Whip up delicious cookies, cakes, and candies. Package them in beautiful Christmas-themed boxes and bags, which you can source from PandaHall. Sell these edible delights at bake sales or offer them as part of gift sets. Head over to PandaHall's website now to get all the supplies you need and start your journey to Christmas wealth. Don't miss out on this festive money-making fiesta. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.